My name is Dylan Pearcy. I'm with the law offices of Dylan Pearcy, and we're a civil litigation firm focused on personal injury and family law cases. As a litigation firm, we are handling cases that are being currently prosecuted in the courts. Divorce cases, custody cases, cases where someone's been injured by someone else's negligence. We're in the courtroom daily. We understand that every case is the most important case to that individual client, and to get a good result for a client is an amazing feeling for everybody involved. I think clients hire us because they feel like we are going to follow through on our promises. They don't feel like we're over-promising, they don't feel like we're under-promising, they feel like we are giving them options that we can actually fulfill. I think most of our current and past clients would say that our firm is one of the most communicative businesses they've ever dealt with. They can always get somebody on the phone or an email or text message if necessary, and I think that's very important in the legal world. I actually started this firm because I believed that in the legal field, communication is greatly lacking between attorneys and their clients. For me personally, it's my directive to my entire staff and to myself that we're going to return phone calls, text messages, emails, any form of communication we receive as quickly as we possibly can, usually the same day. I believe that the bottom line at the end of the day is that our firm is probably the most client-focused firm you're going to find in our area, and I think that most of our cases and our clients will bear that out. We're a small firm. We have a couple of attorneys, I think 5 other staff members right now. We are growing. One of the advantages, I think, to the size of our firm is that we actually know what's going on in all our cases. Clients aren't lost. But at the same time, we're big enough that we have flexibility. If an assigned attorney is out for the day or out for a week or a paralegal is gone, there's always someone to step in as part of the team to help out someone who's in need. Potential clients and clients ask me all the time, will I handle their case personally? And sometimes I do. We do assign cases out across the team. And as the founder and the owner of the firm, I can guarantee you that with every case that walks through the door, I am going to look at that case, I'm going to monitor that case, and even if I'm not the primary attorney assigned on a day-to-day basis, I'm going to be looking over someone's shoulder to make sure that we're giving you the best service possible. If you give my office the honor of some of your time to discuss your legal problem, my goal is to give you as much information as I possibly can during our initial case evaluation. Even if we never work together, I'm hoping that you'll walk away from that first evaluation, that first consultation, knowing more about your case and the future of your litigation than you did when you walked in. If you're in need of legal assistance, I'd love for you to call my office. Reach out. Even if I can't help you, I will find someone that can. I have a great number of connections across many different legal practice areas, and if you need some assistance in the legal realm, I'm going to help you find that so that you can move forward with your case.